there's been reports that summer this year, summer in 23, is actually looking to be as hot, if not hotter, than last summer. It's a good idea to start to look at planting or changing your garden up to go with the climate change. So drought-resistant planting, this is where I'm going with this. Drought-resistant planting such as lavender, rosemary, echinacea is really good. Salvias, general members of the salvia family. Scotias, so like California poppies, and a few for the bees and the butterflies, yarrow or verbena, the Bonariensis. They are all easy to grow and effective drought-resistant plants that you can grow in your garden that will support your garden even when we have as hot a summer as we did last year. Yes, so these are just a few drought-resistant plants. There are plenty of them out there, but just a few drought-resistant plants that are incredibly easy to grow and can tolerate the drought. Let me know in the comments if you have any of those growing in your garden. These will, one, tolerate the droughts. They will thrive rather than look scorched and burnt and need a lot of love and attention. They will reduce the need to water your garden all the time. They will thrive and make your garden look beautiful when the rest of the garden's suffering. This will lift the colour and the look of your garden whilst reducing the need to care and maintain your garden all the time. So these plants are naturally more resilient and will recover from sun damage and pest damage faster, which is amazing, meaning they will need to be treated and fed much less frequently. My water now. Water, if taken from the mains, is quite a valuable commodity at the moment anyway, and I can't see it going down in price, so definitely a valuable commodity. And it'll cost a lot of money to water your garden with a hose pipe. If you're anything like me, the extra cost that comes from watering your garden with a hose pipe, quite difficult to justify. So I've got all of our water butts, and we've got bins as well, which haven't got taps attached, and a barrel now, which hasn't got a tap attached yet, but it will have soon. So we do try and store and save a lot of rainwater. So if you use the house guttering or shed guttering, anything like that to save water, or you've got a natural water source in your garden, this can help to make it more easier to bear, if you like, more viable. So by incorporating drought-resistant plants into your garden, you're going to be removing this kind of stress and panic and damage to your garden, if you like, because these plants are going to be set up for it, will tolerate it, and will be quite happy growing in drier ground, better drainage, that kind of thing. So they'll be quite happy.